Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Turn Right Machine Works. My name is Keith, and we're getting ready to get back to our K&T 6-inch universal lathe. At least it will be here soon. Alright, I got a 6-inch mic here because I wanted to just verify what we have here and what we need to bring it down to. Because I have another insert that I want to try on here to see if we can't really break that chip and get a better action on here. And alright, and we're right around 687 and a half, and our chuck outside diameter, they say a 6-inch chuck, but you always, I want to duplicate this outside here. Okay, we're looking at 300. 300 OD. Alright, so we do have about 300 and X amount that's got to come off of there. So we got safely 150 aside plus maybe a few. So we're going to go ahead and swap out our insert right now. Let me set this on out of here. Okay, we're going to pull off our DNMP, and that is a Sandvik insert. Gives a positive action, and sometimes positive action actually just increases the stringier chip. Sometimes you get enough feed rate and it will break as well. This is a DNM insert with Seiko. Seiko is the insert, Seiko is the holder, and this is Dennis Nolan's help from Seiko and Niagara for their contributing to us trying out inserts and showing the benefits of them. And we've played with this on some round stuff over in the lathe with really good results. Here's a close-up of the insert box there, giving you the particulars on them. And of course, we're just going to put it in here, and we're going to try it the old-fashioned way. And that's you just keep pouring it to it until it doesn't, and then you back up down one, right? All right, we know that we can take at least 100, and we're going to leave it at the same feed rate, and we're going to see we're going to see what we can do here. Let's come in and just touch. There we go. Okay, we want 20, 40, 60, 80, roughly 100 thousandths right there. All right, she's feeding in. You're not quite breaking it. I'm just going to back it out a little bit here. Okay. Let's see if we can change this up just a little bit here. Let's, we'll increase the speed just a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and go for 2 1/8 on the feed. Let's see if she can handle that. No. Okay, back down our feed rate again. We'd probably have to be taking a lesser depth and a higher feed rate to break that chip. Okay, let's measure our diameter, and we'll come in with a smaller depth. of cut. That's got some good heat on those chips though. Actually, that's not, you know, to take 100 thousandths off of a 6-inch diameter there with the K&T, that shows promising capabilities, at least turning, right? Okay, we got 490, so we have sufficient enough. Let's just go ahead and we're going to take 40 thousandths. And I'm going to increase the feed to 2 3/4 inch. See if it'll break the chip now. Not quite. Not a bad finish on it. Okay, we're right at 400, so we have 100 thousandths left. Okay, we're just going to take a 25 thousandths cut here. And we're going to increase the feed rate again, 3.5 inches per minute. There, now we're starting to break a chip. That'll look pretty good for an outside finish there too, so. Alright, it's giving us a good idea of inches per minute and feed rate. Nice, I like that. Okay, here goes our last cut. This will be a finished cut. Here we go. Awesome. We're within a couple, it's going to be good. Alright, we're 4 thousandths over. This back edge here, there's a little burr hanging off of here. Okay, I can curl it up with my finger, get cut on it. I want that back side of our faceplate to really be handle friendly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change over, and this is a D&M P, but I'm going to take it and remove it from the holder, flip it around the other way here. I don't know how far I want it to stick out yet. And we're going to put it in here. We're going to loosen that. I'm setting this face here as an angle, just like that. I don't think we have to stick it out any farther than we need to, so right there looks good. Bring it on into our part. We're going to bring it on behind here. Bring it out till it touches. Okay, we're going to take a look at that. That's nice and smooth, easy to handle. Okay, we removed that bit and we're putting back in our other bit. We're going to come square it on up. I'm going to get a square, come off of here. Actually, I don't have to have the square. I can just come over here and see what it looks like on the face here. Okay, I know that I'm going to have enough relief so I can come into a square shoulder that way, because we're going to come across here and we're going to be doing some facing. And if we come over here and we look that way, we got clearance in behind there. Probably not as much as we have on the face, so we're just kind of like 50-50 it right there. Okay. Going to take a couple measurements on the back of the chuck, and then we'll start configuring our face and register for the chuck. We measured this inside diameter and this inside diameter. This larger one that locates the chuck is 125 millimeter, or 4 inches, 0.921. And this inside one here is 75 millimeters, or 2.952. Now I've got inside spring calipers and verified that this one shoulder on this piece here is larger than this right here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to rough this. We're going to rough this out down to that diameter right there until we get our depth or our thickness that we're going to want our Allen to have here, to be flush on the back side and have enough meat here before it meets to this surface right here. And then after that, if that depth right there is more than the depth we have here, then we'll face that inside down so that that excess will be able to slip into the center. And we don't have to worry about this. That will stick into the all-time center or bore of the chuck as it is. All right, so we're going to just start by facing off some material there, and just, I'm going to say roughly we probably got a 1/4 inch that can come off of there. Okay, I'm going to leave it in that same feed and everything else that we had before. We're going to come in here and touch, and we're going to set our dial at 0 here, so we have a we have a dial that's set up with. Okay, that was about 25 or so, and here we go. Not a bad looking chip, kind of breaking up. We're going to just come into that shoulder. All right, we'll go back out. All right, let's feed in another. We'll go 40 this time. Let's check that out. Here we go. That's not a bad chip. Back out. Hey, I wish my lathe had rapid traverse like that. Automatically, huh? That kick in the ass. Okay. Oh, is that slick or what? I measure a washer and all, that head's about a 1/2 inch. And we have 820 something, 25, something like that. And if we were to give a 1/4 inch of meat under our head, that would bring it to 3/4. So it looks like we have about 75 thousandths to go. All right, we're going to crank in another 40. Here we go. And we'll finish up with a couple small ones. Here's 20. A little stringier of a chip, but it's still breaking. That's cool. Nice gloss finish there. All right, just a quick verification here. 763 or so. Yeah, let's go ahead and we'll take 10 and we're going to call that. We're going to go into the root before we do anything here. I'm just going to grab this pile of chips out of the way here. There we go. I'm going into the shoulder and then I'm going to face out so we don't backtrack onto that surface again. Okay, we're going to come in. I'm just beating by hand. Okay, I'm going to reach in here and we got 5 inches 101. So we're coming down to 4 inches 921. So we have about 180 or something like that to come off of here. 20, 40, there's 60. 60 would be 120. Now let's back that up a little bit. We'll come in 40. Okay, we're going to auto feed it in. Hand feed the last little bit. Five inches, 18 thousandths. About 100 thousandths left. We'll take another 40. Auto feed in. $4,939. $18 thousandths left. I'm going to let that part cool down before I take a finished cut. Supposed to be 9 thousandths for the finished size here. I'm going to take 8. Auto feed in. Feed the last. I'm going to feed back out. Okay. I didn't want to leave any tracks on there. Let's see what we have. $4,922. Or 125 millimeter point, 125.6. .45. Okay, 4 or 5. 0.04 over. All right, I'm gonna break that edge right there. We can just take a D&M key and put it in there. Okay, let's wrap it out of the way here. We're going to test fit our chuck here. Okay, we're going to just barely take and touch. We're pretty sure we're within a thousands right there. We'll come right back in and we'll take that last thousands. Probably just touching, we'll take it. Okay, there it is right there. It won't do any good to measure it. Okay, I am reading down. If I hold it on there, I am reading the 91. All right. Excellent. Okay. Now, we know that we're sitting out an 1/8 of an inch. So we're going to take an 1/8 of an inch off of this down into this diameter here. Okay, we're going to take the spring calipers, choke it on down here. Something like that. We'll just fatten them up just a little bit so we can go like that and see when we get there. Okay, let's that looks like about 60. We're on the safe side. Okay. We just got to go by our measurements here. Okay, here's another 40, 50. All right, we're going to take a depth mic and check that depth. About 210. 210 is what we need. Uh, 215. So if we take 15 and we'll have about 10 thousandths clearance, the way I look at it. We can come back and kiss these faces as well. Okay, there's 15. Okay, I'm kind of just going for a rest there. I'm going to set my dial 0 for my in and out. That way I can give it about a 20 thousandths cut here. and then go into my 0. Alright, now we'll measure the diameter. We're going to make that match the 75 millimeters. Okay, we got 3 inches 134, and we're going to be down to 2952. So we've got a bit to take off here. There's 40. There's another 40. Okay, let's double check our dimension. To 975. To 975, and we need to go to 2952. So we're looking at about 23,000. Okay, I'm going to go 10. To 955. I'm going to go 2. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what we got for a diameter there. To 951. All right. We're going to break that edge right there, that one there, and that one there. Okay, check the fit, earbuds. Ha 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 ha. All right, got a little dressing to do, and we'll go get a hole pattern put in.